Morning students, my dear students. Now in previous class, in previous video clip, you know about what is the meaning of electric dipole, what is the dipole axis, what is the dipole moment, what is the direction of the dipole moment, and SI unit of dipole moment, expression for the dipole moment. And here plus Q and minus Q are the two charges of the dipole. It is the center of the dipole. Now the distance between the two charges of the dipole 2a. It is A. This is A. It is the electric dipole. It is the pair of the two opposite charges of equal magnitude separated by very small distance. That is the electric dipole. Is the dipole axis. Now dipole moment from negative to positive charge. Dipole moment vector P. Dipole moment is 2a into q. In vector form, vector P is equal to say that is a P cap. Now total charge of the electric dipole is 0. Plus q minus q becomes 0. But electric field at any point around the dipole is not equal to 0. Now you obtain the expression for the electric dipole at the 2 points. One is on axis, another one is on equatorial line. Now see here, minus q plus q are the charges of the dipole separated by the distance 2a. Already is there here, 2a. Then P is the dipole moment from negative to positive charge. Suppose this is a point A, this is a point B. Now P is the point at a distance r from the center of the dipole. P is the point on axis of the dipole at a distance r from the center of the dipole. Then point P at a distance r minus a from the positive charge. Point P at a distance r plus a from the negative charge. Once again I repeat, point P is at a distance r minus a from positive charge, r minus a. Point P at a distance r plus a from negative charge. Electric field at P due to positive charge is E1, away from the charge. Electric field at point P due to the negative charge along this direction towards the charge E2. But here in the magnitude E1 is greater than E2. They are in opposite direction. But resultant field is E is equal to E1 minus E2. Why? Because in opposite direction E1 is greater, E1 minus E2. Now see here, electric field at P due to charge plus Q is E1, E plus Q, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R minus A whole square, P cap along OP in this direction. That is here you take AP along AP. A have to take here, therefore you take along AP. Fine. Electric field at P due to minus Q charge is E2, E minus Q, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R plus A whole square, P cap equation along PO, or you say to be PB you have to take it, PB. The resultant electric field at P E is equal to E1 minus E2. Why? Because they are in opposite direction. Resultant is difference of these two. Factor E 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q divided by r minus a whole square p. Substitute here 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q divided by r plus a into p cap. Then q by 4 pi epsilon naught is common. 1 by r minus a whole square, 1 by r plus a whole square remaining. Yes? Okay. Now q is common. LCM is r minus a whole square, r plus a whole square into r plus a whole square. R plus a whole square here and r minus a whole square here. Now expand this one, r square plus a square plus 2ar minus expand this one, r square plus a square minus 2ar. P cap is common. Now split this one, r minus a into r minus a. Split this one, r plus a, r plus a. R minus a, 1 r plus a, r square minus a square. Another r minus a, another r plus a, r square minus a square. Now we take the term r square plus a square plus 2ar minus r square minus a square plus 2ar. Minus minus becomes plus here. Now cancel these terms. Remaining 2ar. Remaining 2ar and 2ar. 4ar. R now r square minus a square into r square minus a square. R square minus whole square into p cap is equal to 1 upon 4 by epsilon naught. 2 you have to take 4a to 2a q here r into p cap. Now here p is equal to 2a into q, dipole moment. Substitute here pr 1 upon 4 by epsilon naught 2pr divided by r square minus a square whole square into p cap. Equation number 3. It is the equation for electric field at this point due to the electric dipole. Electric field at this point is not equal to 0. The total charge of the dipole is 0. The electric field at point P is not equal to 0. For a short dipole is very small. When a dipole is very small, R is very greater than as compared to A. What happens? A square is neglect. A square you have to take neglect. Once a square is neglect, what about this one? On equatorial line, S is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 p r divided by r raised to 4 you got. This is the neglect. R square raised to 2, r raised to 4. 1 r get cancels here. Now into p cap. Now equivalent is equal to electric field on axis on axis EA already. EA 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught S 2p upon r cube into p cap. This is for what you say for short dipole. Yes. Now here it is inversely proportional to cube of the distance of the point from the center of the dipole. It is asked in the examination for 5 mark derivation. Thank you. Good morning, my dear students. Now I want to explain the derivation, another derivation, that is electric field at a point on equatorial line or bisector of the electric dipole. Minus q plus q are the two charges of the electric dipole. O is the center of the dipole. Now the distance between the two charges of the dipole is 2a. Now this is the bisector or equatorial line of the electric dipole. P is the point on axis of the electric dipole at a distance r from the center of the dipole. Now see here, the dipole moment, the direction of the dipole moment from negative to positive charge in this direction. What do you say? This is the direction of the electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment direction is from negative to positive charge. Now P is equal to 2a into q into p cap is the dipole moment. It is in the vector form. Its magnitude is 2aq. Now electric field at point P due to the positive charge, it is away from the charge. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ E1. Electric field at point P due to the negative charge minus Q, it is towards the charge E2. The net electric field at this point in this direction along PC, that is E. Now see here, new diagram. This is the angle theta, this is the angle theta. This angle is same angle, this is theta. This angle is same, alternative and corresponding angles. From this triangle AOP or POB AP is equal to PB. It is why? Because it is bisector. That is R square plus A square. R square plus A square. Now this is AP square, PB square equal to PB square, AP square equal to PB square equal to R square plus A square according to Pythagoras relation. Then AP is equal to PB. It is the root of R square plus A square. AP is equal to PB R square plus A square raised to 1 by 2. Now come to the electric field. The magnitude of electric field at P due to the plus Q charge 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon AP square distance. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught AP square is Q divided by R square plus A square. What is the direction? Along AP. Along AP. Magnitude of the electric field at P due to the charge minus Q. E2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q divided by PB square. PB square. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon PB square. That is Q divided by R square plus A square. PB square is R square plus A square. Equation number 2. Along PB, it is in this direction. Now observe these two, they are equal in magnitude. They are equal in magnitude. Now these two are resolved into two components. Theta aside component is always cos component. E1 is E1 cos theta along this component. But here E1 sin theta. Here E2 cos theta. Here E1 E2 sin theta. These two are equal and opposite. They cancel each other. They cancel each other. Only remaining electric field at point P due to both the charges, that is along PC, E is equal to E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta minus P cap. Why minus P cap? Because electric field is in this direction, dipole moment in this direction. They are in opposite. Therefore you take minus according to the direction of the E. Then E1 plus E2 cos theta common you have to take. E1 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q divided by R square plus A square plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q divided by R square plus A square cos theta minus P. Here cos theta, either this one or this one, cos theta is equal to adjacent side. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by what we say hypotenuse. Adjacent side divided by AP. Adjacent side divided by PB. Now A upon AP, A upon PB. Cos A divided by R square plus A square whole raised to 1 by 2. Then vector E is equal to 2 because the same term 2 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q divided by R square plus A square. Now cos theta is A divided by R square plus A square raised to 1 by 2 minus P. P cap. Now vector E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 2AQ divided by R square plus A square into 1 divided by remaining R square plus A square raised to 1 by 2 minus P cap. EQ is equal to 1 by, EQ means electric field at a point on equatorial line, 1 by 4 pi epsilon P divided by R square plus A square whole raised to 3 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 become 3 by 2 minus P cap. Now electric field at a point on equatorial line minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon P divided by R square plus A square whole raised to 3 by 2 into P cap. Why negative? Because electric field is opposite to the direction of the electric dipole moment. Yes, for short dipole, R is very greater than A. Now A square is neglected. A square is neglected. At that time, E equatorial is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p divided by r square. A square is neglected. R square is 2. What you take here? 3 by 2. Yes, E equivalent is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p divided by what you take r cube. Equation number 5. This is the electric field at a point on equatorial line of the electric dipole when a dipole is said to be short dipole. Once again, see here one more point. On axis, what is the equation you got? Axis here, vector E on axis, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p divided by r cube into p cap. Into p cap. When you write the vector diagram, vector form, you have to write p cap. Here p 2p divided by r cube, here p divided by r cube. Here negative sign is there, here positive sign is there. Whatever it may be, the electric field at any point on the equatorial line on axis of the dipole is proportional to, inversely proportional to cube of the distance of the point from the center of the dipole. Due to point charge, what you got here? E proportional to, inversely proportional to square of the distance. It varies with the square of the distance for a point charge, for a single charge. Due to the electric field is varies inversely proportional to cube of the distance of the point from the center of the dipole. Thank you. Good evening, my dear students. Already you know about the electric dipole. What is the electric dipole? Two opposite charges of equal magnitude separated by the very small distance. This is called electric dipole. Distance between these two is said to be 2a. Then you know about the dipole axis. You know about the dipole moment and the direction of the electric dipole moment. The dipole moment is, that is in the vector form, 2aq into what you say p cap. Q is the magnitude of the either charge of the dipole, 2a distance between the two charges of the dipole, and then p cap is the unit vector of the electric dipole moment. Direction of the electric dipole moment from negative charge to the positive charge. I don't know this one. Now, in previous video clip, the physical significance of the electric dipole. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ತರ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ತರ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, medium ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ in few molecules of the medium, the center of the positive charge and center of the negative charge are not coincide. They are separated by very small distance. Such molecules are called polar molecules. ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Polar molecules ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Once again repeat, center of the positive charge and center of the negative charge are not coincide. Such molecules are called polar molecules. Example, H2O, HCl and carbon monoxide, CO. Now polar molecules, they possesses the permanent electric dipole moment. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವೇ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ತರ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿರ್ತದ? ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನ್ ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್, in a few molecules of the medium, center of the positive charge and center of the negative charge are coincide. Once again I repeat, center of the positive charge and center of the negative charge are coincide. But don't say positive charge and negative charge are coincide. ಆ ಥರ ಹೇಳೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Positive center of the positive charge and center of the negative charge are coincide. Such molecules are called non-polar molecules. H2O2, N2 and what you say CO2 and NS4. These molecules, center of the positive charge and center of the negative charge are coincide. They do not possess the electric dipole moment. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ತರ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವು ಈ ನಾನ್ ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ತರ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ಯಾವಾಗ when non-polar molecules are subjected in the electric field. They are subjected in the electric field. At that time, center of the positive charge and center of the negative charge are separate and apart at a distance. Then they act like a electric dipole. Such dipoles are called induced electric dipoles. They possess induced dipole moment. Again, okay. Induced dipole moment ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವು ಮೊದಲೇ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ತರ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸ್ ನಿಂದ ಅವು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ತರ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸರಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಾನ್ ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನು ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಟಾರ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಆನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ suppose this is the electric field. This is the electric field. Definitely here positive charge. Here you take positive charge. It is always away from the positive charge. Now this is the point. At this point, when the positive charge is placed at this point, in what direction force act on this one? The force act along the direction of the electric field. It is very important point. When a positive charge placed in the electric field, the force act on this charge along the direction of the electric field. Suppose negative charge is placed at this point, in what direction force act on this one? Due to the repulsion, it force act in this direction. Due to the attraction, force act on this charge opposite to the direction of the electric field. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ನಾವು ಕಾಣ್ತಿರ್ತದ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವೇನಾರ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ನಾಗ ಇಟ್ರ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಟ್ರ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಟಾರ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಆನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ and place in the uniform electric field. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಣ. Yes, now see here. Torque on electric dipole in the uniform electric field. Usually ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ತರ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ನೇ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ, ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. Now negative charge minus Q and positive charge plus Q, it is electric dipole. It is placed in the uniform electric field. Now this the force act on the positive charge is in this direction. Force act on the negative charge of the electric charge of the dipole in this direction. This one. Now the turning effect of a electric dipole when placed in the uniform electric field, this is called torque on electric dipole in the uniform electric field. It's a turning effect because of the electrostatic force. These two forces are equal here, but net force on electric dipole is equal to 0. Net force on electric dipole is the center of the dipole and A and B. Now you see here. The electric dipole moment 2aq into p cap, it is in this direction from negative charge to positive charge. Force act on each charge of the electric dipole F is equal to Q into E in vector form. Magnitude F equal to Q into E. Turning effect, this one. Torque on electric dipole is measured by the force into perpendicular distance. Torque is always act on the body. It is a turning effect by the two forces acting at a different points. Suppose this is a rod, force act in this direction, another force act in this direction, and only it give the turning effect. Same thing. The force act here in opposite direction, parallel force. There is a turning effect. Force into perpendicular distance. Tau is equal to F into OB. This is one force. This is another force. These are the parallel forces. Perpendicular distance is OB. Now force is Q into E. OB is 2A sin theta. From the triangle OAB, OAB or AOB. Now it is the theta. Theta is the angle between direction of the electric field and dipole moment, or is said to be electric dipole. This angle theta, this is also angle theta because the parallel here. These two angles are. Now sin theta is equal to opposite side OB upon hypotenuse AB. OB is equal to AB sin theta, AB is 2A sin theta. Then 2A into Q is sin theta. 2A into Q is what? That is said to be dipole moment. Dipole moment. P. This is equal to, what is say? Vector tau is equal to, this is a P. P. E sin theta n cap. Vector tau is equal to vector P cross vector E is the expression for torque on electric dipole. Now what is the direction of the electric dipole? Direction of the torque is in this direction or in this direction, depending upon direction of the rotation. If theta equal to 0, P and E along the same line, P and E along the same line, P and E along the same line, parallel. Now sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta equal to 0. P sin 0 equal to 0. Torque is minimum here. Now such a position is said to be stable equilibrium. Now you have come to the another two cases I want to explain here. Yes, fine. Yes. If case 2, if theta is equal to 180 degree, at that time P is parallel to E but in opposite direction. They are in opposite direction. Here also sin theta is equal to 0 and torque is equal to 0. But such a type of this is said to be, position is said to be unstable equilibrium. And this is the unstable equilibrium. Then case 3, if theta is equal to 90 degree, sin theta is equal to what? 1. At that time maximum torque act on this one, P into E into 1. This is said to be P into E. Maximum torque act on a electric dipole when placed in the electric field, and the electric dipole is placed perpendicular to this one, like this. 180 degree it means, now this is dipole like this, theta equal to 0. 180 degree like this. Okay, it is a stable equilibrium for theta 0. For theta 180 degree, unstable equilibrium. In this case, minimum torque act on this one, but in this case, maximum torque act on the electric dipole.